Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, so y'all in different chairs or something? What is going on here?
It's all this silicone I'm sitting on.
Exactly, that BBL, honey.
That's what it is.
Okay, take this.
Both of them?
Just come on.
Flat back, flat back, flat back, flat back.
There we go. This is... Okay.
I'm gonna give you 2 takes on this.
All right, for now, look up. All right.
Hey y'all, it is Tashara from Politics and Fashion here today with a very special guest, okay? It is my cousin, Fernard.
Hi everyone, I'm Fernard L.
AKA Mike, as you often hear me call him. Whenever I say, hey Mike, this is who I'm talking, okay, about. This is my shopping buddy, my BFF, child, all of the things, okay? I'll keep you around.
Okay.
And so today we wanted to share with you all our Dior unboxing. Really, it's his unboxing that I made him do on my channel because I felt like the things that he got, the whole tribe is going to love. And then I thought that I would throw in some pieces that I recently got too that y'all saw at the end of a vlog. But everybody don't watch vlogs, so I wanted to put it in here for y'all, okay? So if y'all are ready for just a massive Dior unboxing, girl, then just keep watching. Alrighty, so we're gonna start with the Dundada first, okay?
Drum roll, please.
Drum roll, please. Let us know down below what you think is in the box. This is okay, delicate.
I'm just saying, you know, wrapped very well.
Very sexy with the unboxing. Dior's packaging is always it for me. It's always amazing.
Girl, I can't wait to tell my mama.
Anticipation. Yes! I'm like, I don't even know what's in the box. How was it with you when you got it?
I'm just saying, you know, this is an accomplishment.
It really is.
My new baby.
Weird. Alright, tell us what it is. Tell us what it is.
It is a 2021 book tote.
Yes.
In all leather. I think it is so masculine.
And let me just say, so I have seen the book tote before in the all leather, but before, didn't it was just smooth, right?
It was a calfskin.
Okay,
yes.
And it didn't have the Dior, which I think is called the oblique pattern before. It was just smooth leather, smooth calfskin. And now they've added like this embossing to it. And it's on the handles too.
Get into the handles.
Give them a whole close up though, the whole, because you gotta get to that texture, honey. It is delicious. Now, is this the small or is this the large? What size is it?
This is the large.
Okay, it's the large. It's the large.
Yeah.
No, I think it's the small book tote, isn't it?
No, I was told it's the large.
It's the large? Okay, all right.
It retails at $3,650.
Okay, and then how are you planning to wear it?
Everywhere.
Period.
When I tell you I'm going to wear it out, every photo you see me in, she'll be here.
The book tote.
She'll be here.
Absolutely. Because I feel like a lot of people, like, they get their special things and they don't want to wear them.
Why?
Right.
I don't understand.
If you spent your money on it, then, like, I'm literally taking it.
This is a credit card.
Dior did not give you a credit card.
Oh, okay.
That's your authenticity
card.
Telling
me it's real. That's it. I'm about to say, babe, I got a credit card.
Yeah, I do wear my stuff out the store, honey. I don't have time to play the games. I want to wear my pieces. So the first piece is the book tote. Thank you. I can't wait to wear it.
No, ma'am. Let me sit over here.
Alright, so we'll tag team this thing, child. So next I have a little something in this bag. And since you went like big, you pulled out the big guns, I'm gonna go small, alright? So I have this cute little small Dior box here.
I wonder what's in the box.
As if you don't know, okay? And it comes in its very own little small like cloth cover, which is amazing. And if you watched my video on fall trends, then you would have seen
I think I've seen this. Oh my god.
Dior Brooch. Alright, y'all. So I'm actually
Wait,
probably...
you said a roach or a brooch?
It's not a roach.
Oh.
Don't start with me.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put it here. Tell me what you think. Does it go with this?
It's cute.
Yeah.
Real cute right there. Yeah, it's cute. Right
It's a look? Okay.
Right.
And so, this is the classic CD brooch. See, Fenard was prepared. I don't remember the price of this. So, we're going to put the prices on the screen, girl. So, you all know. But my idea with getting a brooch was to just amplify very minimal outfits, right? So I always get the girls an earring, right? But I don't wear a lot of necklaces, for example. That's gonna change in just a minute. So I wanted to have something on a t-shirt, on a blazer, etc. And so I went for the brooch. So that is my first Dior piece. All right, so now we're gonna go to
my second piece of the day.
the second Dior piece. Cause see, we got options.
I'm just saying,
It's
a
not
couple
just
of big
one.
bags, baby.
You see what I'm saying? The bag is secured. And I will be getting what's in this bag myself, just so.
Oh my gosh, she's such a hater, y'all.
It's not a hater. I just feel like you shouldn't go through life alone. So what you have, I should have.
Well, tell it to myself when I lay in bed at night by myself.
Well, first of all, it's called being single by choice, okay?
Okay. I don't know about any guys out there, but I have a large foot. I wear a 45 in European, so it is.
Actually a 75. They had to special order these for him.
You know what? I'm gonna leave that alone.
That blue box is sexy.
It
honey.
is.
That blue
Even
box.
the dust bag, like, look at it.
But
This
look
is
how
called
it's like-
quality, baby. Quality, okay? Look at it. Look at it.
Them shoes is
Look at them.
so nasty, honey.
Okay.
So rude.
So I'm just saying, so if you see me out there trying to talk to your baby daddy or something of that nature, just know he paid for these. I'm just saying, he paid for them.
White toenail season. So okay, wait. I'm not gonna put them on. I promise. But here's what I love about them. Okay, I feel like these are giving you like life of leisure house shoe, but they have a hard sole.
A hard soul. That sounds like old.
That's not what I mean. I mean like
okay.
it's giving you a good old sexy like loafer, but at the same time they're meant to be worn outside of the house because the sole is very durable. I mean, it's a hard sole. Made in Italy, obviously. And I feel like it's a unisex shoe. They don't have these yet specifically in women's, but I feel like it's a unisex shoe. That's why I plan to get it for myself.
Well, guys, I'll tell y'all about that a little later.
And these also, as you all know, match my Dior book tote that I have in the size small. So yeah, we don't have to twin that thing out. These are absolutely amazing. And then how much were these?
These actually retail at $870.
Yeah.
So these are $870.
I just thought it's a classic shoe. You don't have
It
it
is.
forever.
I'm gonna wear this forever. I really am.
Yeah, I mean, you can wear both the bag and the shoe forever. So
I
those
know,
are really
but
good.
I'm gonna have to fight Granddaddy about these. I already see that. I'm just saying.
Granddaddy go have on a Dior loafers. Kill it.
He's gonna want that.
Stunning. And let's get into the next Dior piece.
Girl, what you got? What you got? It's like Christmas
You
around
have
here.
no idea what's in here. It is another piece of jewelry. I should mention that the brooch is a piece of costume jewelry, and so is this piece. Okay, they're both brass.
Ooh.
And I have been wanting this forever. Just feeling like I need more necklaces. And this is a Dior necklace. It is adjustable, so it can be a choker or...
A choker?
No, it can be.
Ooh.
I'm not into chokers.
Okay, I was just getting ready to say, ooh, I'm glad you gave that disclaimer.
Whatever, don't come for me in my style, okay? Clearly, I would not wear all of these things together, okay? But I just want to try it on so y'all can see what it looks like.
So now we lying to the people.
No, I would not wear all these three things. You think I would leave the house with a brooch, these big earrings,
Guys,
and this necklace?
I've seen her with all of that on just the other day. Just the other day, I'm just saying.
Okay. I may have put it on because I was excited, but what I'm saying is that it wasn't a full style moment, okay?
Tell the truth, that's it.
Now, Typically what I would do is probably wear this with just a simple pair of hoops, and y'all know I have the other piercings in my ears too. So you know, it'll be a lot going on, but not quite this much. But what I love about it is the CD, as in the brooch, is kind of subtle, right? So like when you see it, you don't really, it doesn't scream Dior.
It does not. You have to know what it is to understand.
Period.
That's what it is.
Yep. So I absolutely love it. And this has been worn multiple times since I got it, and same thing. I mean, I've never heard of any issues with Dior jewelry, so I know I'm gonna have it for a really, really long time.
Okay, now she's just showing out now. I just have to say it. I don't understand. Oh,
girl. All right, so you may have already seen this if you follow me over on Instagram, honey. But it's a moment. It's a full moment, and I just see myself wearing this with my new black book tote.
No, no, no.
It is a piece of Dior ready to wear, as you can see. Let me just show you all, in case you haven't seen that. It comes in the dust bag, and it is a 2021 runway piece. Let me just fix it on the hanger. Just give it a little bit of love, honey. It is the leopard robe.
Girl, you think I can squeeze into this?
It's the size 36, friend. So
I can work that.
It's gonna be a little tight.
I can work that.
So, but you know that might be a look for you.
Mm-hmm.
You and your.
Don't disrespect me on this camera.
All right, so. I took this to Miami, so I literally just put it in the dust bag for the unboxing with y'all. So it's a little wrinkled, but let me just say that I wore it in Miami at the pool. Mm-hmm. But I feel like this can be worn like all 4 seasons.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Some distressed jeans, a little teddy, and a little pump, you know.
Exactly. That's actually really cute.
It is.
I also feel like it can be worn if you want to do it more conservatively with like a skinny jean, a turtleneck, or a long sleeve tee, and like a really cute sexy boot. Like, it's so many ways that you can wear this piece.
And also you can throw on a little slip dress with it too. I'm just saying, give seduction, you know, while you're walking down the road.
Stay on the slip dress ministry.
Yes.
And then I also think color too.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I was seeing maybe like green underneath
Lime
it.
green or either like olive.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. Okay. And I can also see obviously red to me. But leopard is a neutral, so it can go with so many different things. But that neon actually would be really cute. Like a neon pink, bright green.
Something bright.
So I'm gonna style it all the ways. Y'all are literally going to get sick of seeing me in it.
Thank you.
Oh, first of all, don't try it. Oh, and let me just say also that I'm probably trying it on in the cutaways, but just to show you close up, we have our Christian Dior in the back, okay? But very subtle, right? Like that is really the theme, I think, of everything that we got.
Yes.
I mean, don't get me wrong, I love a good label, honey. I love a good label. But sometimes you want to step out there. You want to be classy, you want to be cute, but you want to keep the girls guessing, all right?
There you go.
Everybody got to know what you got. It's all about just the design, the love of fashion. At least that's how I feel.
That's how I feel as well. I'm just, you know.
All right. So that is the cousin unboxing. We hope you have enjoyed.
Cousin, I got a question.
Okay, go ahead.
So how much I'm getting paid for this video?
You told me you was doing this pro bono. that's what I was told. See, people, wait, Bernard, no. Well, y'all, I guess that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Let me know down below. I gotta go deal with the talent child. He's very, very temperamental. Thanks so much for watching. Follow Bernard on. You want to tell us your handle? Now he's coming back.
I guess I'll hold on to it for a little while longer, okay?
I'm gonna stick
I am on Instagram at @LTheLord_, and also I'm on Facebook as Fenardel. That is FERNARDEL.
What about your OnlyFans?
First off, half of them can't even
I told
afford
him about cursing.
Okay? So why would you tell me about my
That's true,
OnlyFans?
because yesterday's price.
It's not today's, you know, it just went up.
Honda.
BBB.
BBB. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Follow us all across the interwebs, and we will see y'all later.
Toodles.